Look at this guy. 12 months ago, he was invisible. Today, he commands attention. What happened? He didn't win the genetic lottery. He didn't get surgery. He uncovered 5 hidden flaws that are sabotaging your attractiveness right now. And in the next 3 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to fix them. Let's begin. Flaw 1. Face fat. Flaw number 1. The hidden face. In the first photo, his face is puffy, bloated, with no definition. The second photo, sharp, strong, and defined. This is the power of losing face fat. The fix is simple: lose overall body fat. Train with weights, do cardio, and most importantly, change your fuel. Eat protein like eggs and chicken. Cut the processed junk that causes bloating. As your body leans out, your true face will emerge. Flaw 2. The hormone hijack. Flaw number 2. Wrecked hormones. Your testosterone level is your attractiveness dial. When it's high, your jaw sharpens and your muscles grow. When it's low, you look soft and tired. Modern life is killing your testosterone. Late nights, sitting all day, and junk food. Fight back. Lift heavy with squats and pull-ups. Eat zinc-rich foods like steak and eggs. And critically, avoid plastic containers and processed food. They contain chemicals that are silently lowering your T. Flaw 3. The frame game. Flaw number 3. A weak frame. I'm talking about the distance between your shoulders. A wide frame instantly makes you look stronger, more masculine, and more dominant. This is why he looks so different. Stop only training your arms and chest. To build that powerful V shape, you must target your shoulders and back. Exercises like lateral raises, pull-ups, and overhead presses are non-negotiable. Your frame is your foundation. Build it. Flaw 4. The grooming glow-up. Flaw number 4. Sloppy grooming. This isn't about being vain. It's about self-respect. Small details create a huge impact. First, keep your beard trimmed and neat. It defines your jawline. Second, tidy up your eyebrows, just clean the edges. Third, whiten your teeth for a more approachable smile. And finally, get a hairstyle that actually suits your face shape. If you don't know what that is, check the perfect hairstyle guide I've linked in the description. Flaw 5. The consistency code. And the final, most destructive flaw, inconsistency. Most guys give up too soon. They want a 30-day miracle. But real transformation takes relentless daily effort. Here's the truth. Consistency beats intensity. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to show up, especially on the days you don't feel like it. That's how the guy in the photo did it. Not in one day, but every day. That's it. 5 flaws. 1 blueprint. Your transformation starts now. If you want more actionable steps to upgrade your life, subscribe now. Your future self will thank you.